Now, the fun part is we go straight from this to seal, which you know. Seal is our hands underneath and wrapping underneath the feet to hold the feet. Now, when you do seal, we're clapping the inner arch of the feet together, pointed feet, and we're working the inner thighs and opening from the hips. It's not just clapping the feet, it's opening and closing the hips. You would not do seal unless you have already done roll like a ball and feel okay with that. So we don't just sit back and lean back. Ideally, you want to be head over pubic bone and holding in that round ball shape to begin. We go back, and when we balance, clap and come back up, clap. So we hold and then clap. You can clap 1, 2, or 3 times, that's up to you. And really work the inner thighs, don't just let the knees drop out. That's your seal. Now, one I haven't shown you yet is crab. So this one's always fun if you haven't seen it before. And I'll teach you a modification today. So this is something that you would again build up to, another advanced exercise where we go straight from seal to wrapping our hands around our feet. So it's quite nice. You can even just practice that to go into crab. So if you've done this, you take your hands around the outside and you hold your feet. This in itself may be enough for you today, just practicing swapping the feet and hand holding. So as you open, you are not just opening, closing the knees like this. We are actually opening at the hip. So if these were my knees, we're opening at the hip like this. So it's out, in. We're using those hip muscles to open. Okay, now again, this is an advanced exercise. So watch as you do this first. Nice little introduction. Watch before you do this, I should say. So we go back and we open, close, and come up, and we come up onto the knees and we bring the head forward. Now, at first, I remember when I first did it, I was scared. I was like, what is happening? And I've had a knee injury as well, so it wasn't fun first getting to do this because I was worried about my knee, and then I was worried about pressure on my neck. However, there isn't any pressure on the neck. I won't go into it in depth today. I won't get you to worry about doing this yet on the head because I want to show you a full tutorial. But this is it. I'm just showing you now just so you can see where you will be headed. Pardon the pun. For now, practice just going back, switching your legs, coming up. Okay, and even balancing. Go back, switching your legs and balancing. Okay, you can even come forward a little and go back again. So this in itself is a great prep. If you don't want to be doing half the exercise like that, roll like a ball is great. Anything that's going to build you up to the rolling movements like this is fantastic, or just stick with the seal. The seal is even a challenge enough.